Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to do factory reset your Android phone. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to factory reset your Android phone, then I'll show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open the settings. You have to scroll down. Here you can see your system. Just tap on the system. After that, you will find reset option. You have to tap on that. In this you can see last option, reset all data, factory reset. You have to just tap on this. After that you have to read carefully that all your Google account and download apps and photos and videos all will be deleted. After reading this carefully, just tap on erase all data and your mobile will be restarted. After restarting, your factory reset will be complete. That's it guys. So in this way you can do factory reset on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.